Push it forward.
Can't get it to go down. There you go. Okay, you can back up now. Is the safety off?
Yep. Maybe. Pull the trigger and see. Oh, that was bad. Don't do that.
I didn't do it. I just barely wiggled it. I can't even do this right-handed anymore. My shoulder hurts.
Whoa, that's pretty.
You gotta work the action. You don't have to be a girl about it.
Fuck off, Ed. I can't.
It's accurate too, so if you actually aim.
I can't.
Boys, move.
Now look where you shot. Aim. Actually aim. You gotta work it. You gotta work the action.
Shut up. Oh, fuck, I forgot.
Hey, Tyler, get over here.
Get back.
Is there one more than I can get it?
Oh my god, it's so heavy.
We got a guy coming in.
Hold on, there's a guy.
Huh?
There's a guy coming.
Keep going.
Tyler,
Don't stop
come
it, bud.
here. Tyler.
Where are you coming from?
Oh, I know.
Alright, leave it open. We're good.